YouTube? Hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Check out this project right here. This is actually a 50 by 60 post frame Polebarn building, actually up here in Sandusky County. But check this out. Actually, we built this on a foundation. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the specs on this one right here. A lot of times you'll see the ones mostly round, but this is actually a 3-ply built on actually a 2-foot. You can see foundation, but kind of give you an idea here, white and black. All right, so actually 16 feet tall. Again, a 50 by 60. All right, 3-foot black wainscot there. All right, a white sidewall steel, and then those windows right there. You kind of see the pattern on that, kind of midway up there on that sidewall. See that? Actually, those are 4x2. All right, or 2x4, however you want to call it there. All right, so a nice looking building right here. All right, again, the windows right there on the gable. And then this window right here, 4x3 or 3x4. You can see it's got this nice kind of drop down porch going on as well. All right, so let me take you inside here as we navigate this. So you can see there, enclosed section right there. All right, so kind of a neat setup there. See how that's enclosed right there? And we got an open porch as well. Look at that door right there. Again, those doors, those entry doors can come in different colors. There you can see there's a nice gray, complements the black and the white there. You can see the white liner panel underneath that ceiling as well. But see that? See that nice gray there? All right. And again, sometimes people ask us, you know, some really, I would say exotic colors, but maybe some colors that are a little bit off. And we've done this before. We've actually painted it before. So if you want something that's maybe a little bit more custom, you know, we have the resources to get that done as well. All right, so check out that entry door, double entry door right there as well. All right, so let's take a look at this building on the inside. Look at that window as well. You know, I don't have actually that dimension on me right now, but that's actually a different looking window, isn't it? That's far, but you can see how that porch kind of drops down here. Again, a 50 by 60. See that right there? So we got kind of the splits roof, however you want to call it there. All right, so let's go inside here. You can see the concrete. Built this actually, and the guys actually, you can see what they're doing. Actually, we're putting on the interior ceiling, and that's actually going to have R30. So you can see the drip stop metal right there. Comes pre-assembled, pre-applied to underneath that metal. So you can see what they're doing. Actually, they're putting up the interior liner panel. Right, and then actually R30 is going to be blowing it out. The owner's actually going to come back and do the sidewalls, but kind of give you an idea here. Again, a 2-foot foundation here, and you can see what we did. We actually did wet set brackets on this. See that? Again, a 3-ply laminated column, and you see the wet set. We went right on top of that 2-foot foundation right there. Check that out. Pretty neat, isn't it? Actually, if you've been following these series, we did a project actually at the Attica Fairgrounds. Very similar. It was a foundation project, and we did wet set. I think that might have been 4-ply. Check out the video. That was probably 2-3 months ago. All right, kind of give you an idea there. All right, again, 2x12 double top beam header right there. Again, trusses there, 2x6 bottom, 2x6 top. You can see it's set right there on the 2x12 yellow pine. All right, and again, like I said, the owner's going to come back and actually knock out the sidewall when the time becomes available to him. So it kind of gives you an idea. All right, again, 50 by 60 right here, up here in Sandusky County, Ohio. And again, comments always welcome. Until next week, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here, Attica Lumber, and then atticalumber.com.